Give it a look. Okay, what's up you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and we are in the middle of our apartment refresh. I have been living in my apartment for almost 6 years, so of course I'm naturally craving some change in here. I've been working on my living room, but now we are shifting here in the home office slash storage because it gets a little crazy in here. But I'm so excited because I have something new that I want to build in here. So it's forcing me to get my life together and clear out this space, clean it up, get organized. I got my cafecito. This is actually cold brew. I'm on one right now and I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. Let me show you the situation, okay? So here is the home office part that I was talking to you about. You guys are very familiar with this. Because of the apartment refresh, we've got some packages over here. We got some things that we are trying to put together. And for some reason, I decided I needed to go online shopping and we got some stuff. We got some try-on hauls that we have to do. So pretty much, not only is this a home office and a storage, but it's also my creative space where I need to have all the stuff and kind of just like lay out everything. Like if I have like content that I need to work on, I have specific piles for all this content that I need to do. Yeah, it makes sense in my head, but I'm in the need of organizing this area, so it makes more sense and it looks nicer for me to work here. So I'm so excited to get this show on the road. We have this piece of furniture. It's called the Lockdown by Mustard Made. It's gonna look so cute right over here. But first, you guys, I need to clear all of this out. And this piece of furniture, this is actually just from IKEA. I can't remember the name of this one. And all I did was paint it. My plan for this is just to take it to the storage or the warehouse. It's definitely needed still. So yeah, I mean, it's just not needed here. The other piece of furniture is gonna look so much cuter. So let's get straight into it. This is gonna be the hardest part. I don't want to take anything out of here. I want to like build it first and then put everything in there, you know? Oh, it's not even heavy. The plan is just move this over there until I build this and then transfer everything onto the new thing and then I could deal with this. Look at this color. I'm so obsessed. I'm so excited. This is in the color berry. This is my color. This part I did not think through. I'm a little stuck here. Luckily, I could just go around that way, so I'm just gonna deal with it after. Oh wait, I think I fit. I think I fit. Yes! Okay, it's chilling in the living room until I do all this and then we'll take it to the dumpster. All right, let's do it. But I'm actually first going to watch a video on how to do it because if there's videos, I'm gonna watch the video plus look at the instructions. Like I'm not just gonna look at the instructions. If there's videos involved, I'm gonna look at them. Okay, let's do that. I just realized that I was so in the zone I haven't even been speaking. It's so cute. I love this color so much. This is like my favorite color. We just have to add the last door and then the handles. This was so easy to build and they have so many cute things. I want more. It's so cute. These are way too tiny. So tiny. Okay, I cannot lose these. No. No. You guys, with nails, this is like not okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at how cute it looks. I love it so much. I am so obsessed with the color. And it comes with keys. So spacious too. I'm so excited to get it all nice and organized in here. But they also sent me some baskets, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. All right, now that we are all done building the lowdown, it's so cute. I'm so obsessed with it. And I love how lightweight it is. I can move it around. But yeah, now that we are all done, I'm just gonna start bringing in the stuff. Obviously, I can't get rid of all of the clutter that was in here, but I'm gonna start putting some stuff in here. If there are some things that I can get rid of, or maybe they have to go to the warehouse storage or something, then awesome. I kind of want to bring the record player over here. Is that weird? Maybe the record player, because I have like the records right here. Is that gonna be too much? I don't know. Let's see. Let's just have fun with it. Guys, why do I have so much junk? I really need to downsize. I think that's good because everything else, figure out somewhere else to put, because it just gets so cluttery, you know? So some stuff is storage, and then the rest I need to put on frames. It's like my artwork that I need to put into frames. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Or find another space for it. And we still have a lot of baskets, so I don't know if I'm gonna need these for here or take them to the warehouse. They're gonna be pretty useful for the warehouse, so maybe I'll take these back with me over there. And then I have other baskets too, but which might work somewhere here. Maybe the kitchen or something, like underneath. I don't know, I'm gonna see. But so far so good. Let me figure out the rest of the situation. Alright you guys, that's gonna be it for today's apartment refresh. I hope that you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep following along this little apartment refresh series, and let's see what I end up doing next time. But I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you are interested in anything, then don't forget to check out the description down below. And thank you again, and I hope to see you guys next time.